For over 50 years, Milltronics has been committed to seamlessly surround machine shop owners and manufacturers with fast and reliable full life cycle support to make great products. We proudly serve the CNC machining industry worldwide by offering our innovative control and manufacture a complete line of vertical machining centers and lathes for toolroom and production environments. We have built our reputation on three differentiators: intuitive and innovative control, accurate and reliable machines, dedicated and solution-minded people since 1973, and with over 14,000 machine installations. These differentiators have allowed Milltronics to go above and beyond to provide our customers with exceptional machining performance at a price they can afford, with the assurance that we will stand behind our products and be true to our word.
Milltronics, beyond expectations.